right, man. Yes, sir. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. We going straight to action. Straight action. What's good, YouTube? We back. What's good? What's good? All right, y'all. Journaling. Journaling. That's today's topic. Journaling. Man, let's get to it. Let's get to it, man. Y'all know how I am. I'm gonna keep it 100. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. That's why I don't keep notes with me, just because I want this to be not freestyled, but I just want it coming from the heart. Like, I just want it to really help somebody based off my journey. I'm not trying to, a lot of these YouTubers, not even trying to throw shade. They do their thing. I had nothing to do with it. I'm staying in my own lane. But it's just a lot of people just not really keeping it 100 on here, bro. And there are some people, of course, but it's not a lot of people keeping it 100 on here. And I just want to be a part of the people that are keeping it 1,000% with y'all, 100% with y'all, how this really work. It's just people just copying other people. Oh, this is how to journal. You just do this, you use this software. And the reason why you're journaling is because you're just going to put your trades down and just record them. So it just helps you. It helps you learn it better, learn how you're trading better. But that don't really help a lot of people. And I've noticed for myself, I heard all those words. I heard everything they were saying. It didn't help. It didn't help. It didn't help. I still never journaled. Even if I did try to journal and it still didn't work. I was like, why am I doing this stupid stuff? Like, bro, I would be cursing, but YouTube, I don't know how that works. So I ain't even trying to, you know what I meant to say. But anyways, why am I doing this? Why am I doing this stupid journaling, writing down my trades, trade entry here, stop loss here, take profit here, especially when I was trading binary options. I definitely didn't do it then, but now I'm trading traditional leverage Forex and, indexes and crypto, whatever else you could trade leverage wise, whatever you're trading. But why? What is the real reason, or how can this really help me? Because I've journaled before. I've written stuff down. I've written exactly how the trade went out, and I just felt like it didn't help me. So let's talk about journaling, man. Let's talk about more in-depth journaling. Why you should journal. Why should you journal? This is not find a journal software. You can find a journal software. Plenty of people talk about journal software. There's plenty out there. My FX book. There's other softwares that people have, like all types of new softwares you can use. I think Track FX is the one I've used before, which is I think that was Astro's tracking software, but who cares about that? But bro, look, I'm gonna keep it 100, bro. Journaling, until I did it this way, it changed the game. It changed the game for me. And I understand why you should journal. So journaling on a notepad or anything like that didn't help me. You got to do what works for you. Let me tell you which one you're going to do, and then tell you why you should do it. So journaling on a notepad didn't help me. I'm journaling and writing down the trades I've taken at this time, at this day, and trying to write out all those entry signals and stuff like that, and stuff, how I felt during the trade. But here's the thing though, when I went back to look at those trades, I didn't have I remembered kind of what the trade looked like, but I didn't remember really what the trade exactly looked like. I mean, it wasn't helping me. It was just a whole bunch of words on the chart saying like, hey, you should have entered here, here, here. So it didn't really mean much to me. Then I tried my FX book, and I know at my FX book, it tells you like how much your win percentage, how much you lost, pip amount, money gained, goals, the best pairs you traded with, how many longs and shorts you win or loss on, and win percentage and things like that too. And those help too. But again, it wasn't helpful that much to me still. So I mean, it could be good for if you want to track your record and show that you are consistent and show other people that you're profitable and actually have a track record or something. If you want to keep for just, you know, trophy wise, if you wanted to say that, that's what I think personally. But man, how I trade now, and could be another method that I don't see a lot of people talking about. Man, journaling on your charts has literally taken my trading to a whole new level. Journaling on the charts. If you're a visual person, especially, journaling on the charts is amazing. It literally took my game to a whole new level. I really noticed it with I was actually watching who was actually doing this. I seen ICT, of course, ICT, my mentor, doing this on his charts during one of his YouTube videos. Like if you go on his YouTube channel, you'll see him journaling on his, like not journaling, but like writing out why what he's looking for, why he's getting in, areas, what he feels, it's like areas of value, fair value gap, you know, break market structure, market shift, stuff like that. I know people write that on the charts now, but I write them in bubbles now. So how I do it is I took that same method and kind of made it my own. I write it with bubbles on the chart. The bubbles on the chart, which is I wish I could have it right here, and now I'm gonna have to figure out how to edit that in so I can actually show y'all. But it's pretty much not the text symbol on TradingView, not the text symbol, because I think that's the one he uses. But I'm using like the call out. I think that's what it's called. It's called call out or balloon or something like that. And it's like you could change it to different colors. So I made the outer piece black, or the outline black, and I make the bubble part actually different colors based on what it's for. So for example, if I'm in a trade, I'm looking at a trade at a certain time, I'll say, hey, looking for this area to be broken to enter in the market on the 5 minute. Looks good. I feel great right now. Just waiting for confirmation. And when you do that, at least when I do that, and for my experience, just so hopefully this helps somebody, it really makes things clear, and also kind of keeps you strict. It does keep you strict on your rules though. So like writing it out, you're telling yourself, hey, I'm looking for this to break. This is the part of my rules. Because when all that volatility come in, your rules go right out the window. I already know. I know how this works. I know that I've been there, done that plenty of times. I've blown a lot of accounts. I've lost a lot of money. So that is going to be recouped right back when I get to that point, get all this money back, recoup right back. But this is how I journal, and this is how it helped me improve. But writing it down, saying, hey, this is the time, this is how I felt, I'm waiting for this to happen, going to look and be risking 1 or 2% or whatever, how much risk tolerance you are, you're going to be risking, you can risk that. But once I start writing that down, it keeps you disciplined, because then when you screenshot that, also you get screenshots too, and then when you're screenshotting before and after the actual trade plays out, you can actually see in detail, okay, this happened, and then this was the aftermath of this happened, and if you were correct or not. Now, you don't know the market just because you winning a lot, or winning streaks, we'll talk about that in another video, doesn't mean you know what exactly is going to happen. I still believe that, of course, that you might have a good idea what's going to happen, and you could be right, but there's always a chance that you could be wrong. So the journaling part, writing it on the charts, you're improving your skills. You're improving your skills over and over and over and over and over, doing the same setup. You can't be switching strategies though and journaling, because it's going to skew the probabilities. Like, it's just going to mess up everything that you're journaling for. It's not going to be worth anything. So you got to stick with the same strategy. You got to stick with same concepts. Everything you're doing has to stay the same. But you got to keep journaling, though. Got to keep journaling and writing on the charts and why you're getting in, why you're getting out, how you're feeling, daily entries, how the week is going for you, how much you're risking per trade. Write it on the bubbles in the chart. I have a whole bunch of bubbles. If you've seen my weekly video, you'll see that I had a whole bunch of bubbles on the chart on the different days I've traded all throughout the week, and I keep them on for the entire week until the end of the week, and I review the entire week and take screenshots and then erase them and then do it again next week. Just keep doing it. It improves your skill so much. Now, why do you do this? Why do we need to journal? What really happened and changed my whole perspective on journaling? Journaling, I didn't think much of it. I didn't think it really improved me that much until I started doing it on my charts. But like I said before, one of the reasons is it kept me strict with my plan. Because once I set it on the chart and screenshot the actual bubbles and stuff, like not every bubble, but once I before and after the move, and I literally wrote it out on the chart, if you delete that bubble, I know you're the only one managing it. Of course, you're the only one that's going to know that if you cheated yourself or not. And just like in the gym, if you're doing half reps in the gym and not doing good form, good reps, and not finishing your workouts, and you not saying if you had an emergency or nothing, but if you had time, you got enough time to finish your workouts, everything like that, and you're half at, I ain't want to YouTube, hey. But if you like skimming through your workout, what do you expect? You're not going to get the results, and you're cheating yourself. You're messing up yourself. You're messing up yourself. You're really cheating yourself out of getting those results that you deserve because you put the work in. What's the point of doing all this work and you don't get the results, right? So the same thing on the chart. Don't delete the bubbles in text, or if you are a person that writes it down on a journal and then you like to print out your chart. I've seen some people actually, I think I've heard of somebody doing that. I don't know anybody that does it online, I'm not sure, but like print out the charts. If you print out the charts and then put it with like your notes, rip out the journal and the notes, and then put it. Why are you playing all this music? I hope I don't get a copyright for this. Oh my gosh. During my stuff. Bro, this dude got this. Let me stop. Look. And hopefully, I hope I don't get copyrighted for this, but I know y'all can hear that. Anyways, I gotta get a studio or something. Anyways, look, you write down your journals, right? You write down your journal. I had to hurry up before this dude give me a copyright strike. Anyways, you write down your stuff in the journal, and when you're writing it down, right? This dude is throwing off my bro. This dude is throwing off, trying to be, bro. I hate people that do this. I'm not even gonna talk about that, bro. Trying to be like, bro, you in an empty parking lot playing this loud music, bro. Trying to have everybody see you because you playing the music, bro. If you don't get in your car, bro, and go in this gym, nobody care. Nobody care, bro. Nobody care. Nobody care, bro. Anyways, look. Thank you. Turn that off. Anyways. Look. Journaling, bro. Journaling, bro. Look. I promise you, writing it down, if you delete those bubbles, you're gonna cheat yourself. You're gonna cheat yourself. He's still going. You're gonna cheat yourself, bro. Or I'm sorry, girl, guy, it's not gender specific or whatever, but I'm just saying, you're gonna cheat yourself. And if you cheat yourself, you ain't gonna hurt yourself. So keep the bubbles on there. If you're wrong, or if it breaks and then you enter in and then you jump out of a trade, write that down. Write why you jumped out. Oh, I jumped out. I cut my loss early because XYZ. I felt anxious. I felt like the trade wasn't with me. I felt like I was going to I felt like I was going to lose or anything and cut out, and then see what happens after. Or if you do enter back in, say, hey, I'm entering again for another 1% because it still looks good and I got out early because of my emotions. It keeps you, by writing that down, taking them screenshots, and getting those emotion outs in the time of you actually trading, I promise you, and you're watching the price move, I promise you, the emotions and the things you're feeling and the confidence that you don't have is going to bring you more confidence. It's going to keep your emotions in check, and it's going to make you feel like you're actually in control of what you're doing and understanding, why did I get out there? It still went in my favor. Okay, make a note. Make sure to let your trade play out until the very end, as long as it didn't hit my stop loss, because you should be putting your stop loss into place that if it hits that area, that trade is no longer valid and you're looking for a new setup. So that's all I gotta say. I mean, it's really this dude is recording his car and himself out here posing. I wish I could, you know what, I'm not even about to do that because I don't know what type of copy strike. I don't even know if I'm gonna get one for this, but the video must go on, bro. I gotta go in this gym anyway, and I'm probably gonna see dude in the gym, and I'm just gonna look at him like, hey, bro, what was you, man? Let me stop, bro. That's it, man. That's it. Look, nobody talk about that, but bro, trading your trade. If you're not journaling your trades, that could be the missing piece. Especially if you try to do it on your chart. I promise you, while you're trading, do it while you're trading. Don't track it after. Do it while in the moment, and look at the emotions on the chart. I got scared, and when you're looking at it, you're gonna be like, why did I get scared of that? I was confident enough to take the trade, but I got out. If I just held the trade and just stayed my emotions grounded, I would have won. And my probabilities would have played out. My probabilities would have played out at 1 to 3. When I'm looking dead at dude because I'm wondering why he playing this loud music. He just parked right here to play music and then left. Bro. Hey, I promise you, I love people. I love people and I hate people at the same time, bro. Anyways, look. That's it. I'm kind of like all over the place right now because the dude just threw off my whole game. But the show must go on. The show must go on, bro. I hope this really helps somebody. Journal your trades. Journal your trades. Write them down. Use whatever software that you prefer. And that is, and track everything. And I literally mean track everything. And I know it sounds stupid. I know it sounds stupid. But do it anyway. Do it. I promise you, what expert traders are telling you to journal your trade, there's a reason for it. The only reason why I'm making this video is because a lot of them don't really go in depth on why. Why is it so important to journal your trades? Because they'll say like, oh, just learn from your losses. You'll learn from your losses. But if you're not journaling correctly, or you're doing it correctly, or understanding in the moment of time, okay, I'm journaling, but I'm not seeing how this is helping me, then it's not going to work. It's not going to work. And I think writing on the charts, for me personally, is the best way. In the moment of the trades, while I'm doing it, the emotions I'm feeling while I'm in the trade. Oh, excuse me. And it's a game changer. It's a game changer. I'm not gonna lie. And then you review at the end of the week. You can't be switching strategies though, but keep the same strategy. If you get the same strategy and you feel like you're struggling, you understanding like, why am I getting out early? Why am I doing this? Why am I so fearful? Why am I greedy? You know, journaling can help with that too, because you're writing out, hey, this is the percentage I'm taking. Don't delete the bubble and then start switching the percentage. Like you say you're going to risk 1%, risk 1%. If you say you're going to risk 5%, I'm not telling people what to risk. Okay, disclaimer. It's just advice of my experience. I'm just trying to help somebody. But if you say 5% risk, then you you stick with that. Don't keep changing while you're in the trade. And the journaling on the charts is going to help you see that you're actually, your mind is making you switch in while you're trading. And you're going to note that, like, wow, I literally said I was going to do this, this, and this, and I did not follow my plan. I did not follow my rules, and I didn't do that. And I wrote this down, and if I just stuck to what I wrote down, how I felt in the beginning, and how anxious I was or fearful of getting out, then I would have never even got out that trade, and I would have won. That I've done that plenty of times, and that corrected my problem. That corrected my problem, my issue. So I hope this helps somebody. Like I said, just write it all out. Write it all out. When structure's broken, write that out. When you're looking for a 1 to 3, write that out. When you win, use positive words. Write it on the chart. Don't use nothing negative. Write it on the chart. Avoid negative words at all costs. Don't say you're stupid for doing this, and oh, I should have held it, I'm so stupid. Don't write that on the chart. Write positive stuff on the chart. Hey, look, I got out because I was anxious. I wasn't feeling that trade. I'm going to wait it out to see how it plays out, especially if like a scalper like me, or even a day trader, because I day trade scalp. But if you're a swing trader, same thing, you got a lot more time, you know, to do that. But especially for scalping, a lot of people, most people are like scalper and day traders from what I've seen. So if you're writing it down at that very moment, man, it's a game changer. Hey, I'm looking for this liquidity, buy side liquidity to be taken out. I'm looking for the Asian low range to be taken out. You write that on the chart. Write it all on the chart. I'm telling you, it gets it out of your mind and on the charts, and you're looking at it. While you're looking at the charts, you're looking at your notes too. Because if it's on your paper, for me, if it's on my paper, I'm looking at it, but I'm really looking at the charts because that's what's moving. And when it's moving with my money, that's how I kept feeling. I kept feeling like failing. I kept feeling like I was not keeping it together. I didn't care nothing about that paper. I didn't care nothing about the paper. I just wanted to know that I was gonna make some money, and I just kept kept losing. Couldn't understand why. I read all the psychology books. I read a whole bunch of books and stuff like that, and I was still losing. And I just wondered what the missing piece was. Man, that is the missing piece. If you're missing anything else, that could be one of the missing pieces. There's a lot of other factors, of course, but if you haven't tried that and you tried everything else, do that. I'm telling you, it's going to elevate your game to a whole new level. I don't care what you trade or how you trade. Every trade, like I said in my other video, every strategy works. It just depends on you and journaling it. Saying you're going to get out at this area on the chart. Saying, hey, I'm looking for this area to get hit. I'm looking for a 1 to 2. Get out of 1, 2. Take half off at this area. Take half off at the high. If this breaks down below this level, I'm out and I'm done for the day. Like, you write that down on the charts. Write it down. I know this video is getting long, but it's all good. We just talking. This is for the people, and I'm gonna keep making videos like this because this is why I don't have notes, because this is supposed to be a conversation between me and you, or me and a group of you guys. It don't matter, whoever. Because I know in my trading journey, it's just people just listen off the same thing. Oh, you do this, you do this, you do this. But like, nobody talk about their struggles. They all just want to just recycle the same information of content over and over and over and over and over. And we just trying to do something real. Have a conversation with you as a trader. Because I wish somebody had a conversation like these with me, you know. That's it, man. That's it. I hope this helps somebody. I'm gonna go in the gym. My pre-workout kicking in. I got arms today. So all right, y'all. I'm out. Hopefully, good luck on your trading. And keep with it. Don't give up. Don't quit. Keep going. Keep going. I don't even know how I'm gonna end this other way. I just threw it a blank. All right, y'all. I'm gone. Peace. Yep, I'm gone.